For years now, statistics in the network marketing industry have not been very good, and I want to share a proven solution and how we are fixing the industry once and for all. Hi, I'm Joe Barclay, and before we get going, if you're new to my YouTube channel, please be sure to click the subscribe button right now and hit the notification bell too, because I post multiple new videos every week, and you'll want to be sure you get the information. Also, I hope you will support my YouTube channel and give this video a thumbs up. Hit the like button also to let YouTube know this is the kind of content you like. I first started in network marketing over 30 years ago. I've done it full-time for over 20 years now, and I love it. I'm in it not just for the monthly income, but the long-term recurring income too, and the lifestyle it provides. I ski most days in the winter, and I sail most days in the summer, while most people are busy at their jobs. I know of no better way for everyday people to create financial freedom than network marketing if everything goes according to plan. But here's the big problem in network marketing that most people will not tell you about. A large percentage of people getting into network marketing fail to have the success they were hoping for. To make matters worse, many even end up spending more money than they make. That's hardly a way to create financial freedom. And that's pretty grim, but it's really not that surprising, and now you know the truth. And it's been a combination of things that have caused these statistics over the years. The industry in general suffers from overpriced products, requiring distributors to purchase a large dollar amount of product each month just to be eligible to get paid, high startup costs, and compensation plans that only favor the heavy hitters. Beyond that, too many network marketers struggle because they do not get the good training they need. Part of the problem, too many people in the industry have focused on recruiting rather than team building. And what happens is they sign a new person up and move on to the next one, never taking the time to help. Well, no wonder people give up and quit. Well, here's how our company and our team fixed the problem for good. We offer high-quality health and wellness products for less than you would pay on Amazon or at CVS. Real value, products that sell themselves. This company is super affordable. It only costs $9.95 per month to be a member and a $40 one-time fee if you want to be an affiliate. There is no auto ship, no purchase requirement to get paid. The pay plan, it's geared towards everyday people. You can even make money without enrolling anyone. That's really different. We provide all the tools, systems, websites, videos, and training to enable you to earn easier and faster than in any other company in the industry. And if you like what you see and team up with me, you'll be part of one of the fastest growing teams in the whole company. We'll provide you with your own sales funnel, including landing pages, sales pages, and a ready-to-run email series to put in your autoresponder. You will have everything you need to start marketing and making money within the hour. Plus, you'll have my personal one-on-one mentoring too. I've never seen anything like this. I mean, where else can you set yourself up for life for only $9.95 per month? To learn more, take our online tour. Go to easymoneypath.com. The link is in the description too. Go ahead and check it out. We'll talk soon.